Okay, hey everybody, it's Joanne again, expressionsvinyl.com. Not sure what happened. We're having a little bit of issue with the service, and then the video it kept pausing, so we're starting over. If you're on the other one, hopefully you've seen us again, that we're back live and joining this one. So are people starting to join? Come back on this one?
Got a couple people, yeah.
Yay, yay. Thank you for joining this one. Sorry about that, we're not quite sure. Sometimes this room is a little sketchy with the Wi-Fi or the cell data from your phone, so it's yeah. Okay, so if you're just joining us or coming back, we're doing just a fun spring project with this cute pot from Hobby Lobby and using the glitter vinyl, which is on sale right now until Monday. So it's gonna say fresh cut flowers and then locally grown underneath it. And I just need a little bit of help on the color for the flowers. The fresh cut and the locally grown is black, the black glitter. And then there's a little piece in it, between it, I don't know what those are called, in champagne or the gold.
Little
floral thing in there, yeah. Got either champagne or gold. So, which one of these do you want to use? Give a thumbs up for the coral glitter. Give a heart for the Tiffany blue glitter. And give the surprised face for the teal luster.
Just 2 votes for teal.
So just in the next few seconds, which one gets the most? The hearts, the thumbs up, or the hearts, thumbs up, or the surprise face?
Just a couple thumbs up. Couple hearts. Oh, quite a bit of surprise face.
Okay.
I think it's the teal.
We'll go with this one. This has been a favorite lately, and it's the luster. It's got a fun sheen to it. It's not a glitter, but it's a fun sheen to it. So it's a fun one to work with. So we'll do it in that one. Teal's a fun color anyway. And since this is a curved surface, I'm going to use the paper transfer tape to kind of work with it a little bit, and I'll show you why I'm using the paper. Let me get these cut and ready. These little extra ones will be added into the winner's boxes. Okay. Oh, and Amy and Alyssa, which one of these? The gold or the champagne?
Gold.
Gold.
Gold?
I agree.
Yeah,
Okay.
gold.
Gold. There's so many fun colors of the glitter. You'll have to go online. There's a link up at the top of this video with the different types of glitter and all the different colors. Okay. Okay, let me cut these out. One thing when working on a curved surface, you want to make sure you get as close to the words as possible and not a lot of extra around it as you're working, because you're going to have to be moving around on that a lot.
Joanne asked in the other video if anyone had any questions on glitter. So if you have any questions, let us know.
Yeah, let us know if you've got questions on the glitter. Let us know if you've used it, what types of projects you've done with it. Okay. Now where this one's pretty small, you can do it a couple different ways. You can cut in between the letters and make it easier to work with. This one's pretty small, so I don't have to worry about that too much. And then if you're worried about aligning it and the way that this has a curve, I don't know if you noticed where it's smaller at the top and bigger at the bottom, it's got a little bit of a curve. So you're gonna have to work with that. These small ones won't be too bad. Larger words on it, maybe a little harder to work with. But the best thing that I have found, you just peel off a little bit of the backing right in the center. Get my fingers to work. So right in the center of it, just peel off some of the backing and then start from there. And I'm using the biggest one. It's gonna say fresh cut, the flowers underneath that, and then the little floral thing, and locally grown. So I'm gonna take the biggest one first, which is the flowers, and kind of center that where I want here. And I've already looked at it, and this has a nice little paint chip right at the center where I want it at. So that's gonna be my center mark. And then just start where you want this. And the reason I took it from the middle is because of the curve of this. So take it from the middle and it's gonna naturally curve evenly both ways, so. And just press the centerpiece down and pull the backing off that side. And see, it's got a little bit of a curve to it, which is not a problem. You want the curve on it. There we go. And then press that side down. So there you can kind of see. And this file is from, it's from a spring truck file from Better Life blog. And there's links in our blog to get all of that. Links to the glitter and links to Better Life blog for the cut file. It's a fun one to work with. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the fresh cut. And I'm just gonna take the whole piece, since it's a little one, and it goes right above it. And just kind of position it on there. Press the middle part and then move out from there, and you've got the curve that you want to it. So there's two of them, and then this little floral flourish. Again, just start in the middle. It's about where that W is at. Start in the middle of it and go towards the edges. That's the easiest way to do it on a curved surface. Just start in the middle and let it naturally form where it needs to on a curved surface. And then the last one, the locally grown. I like the lettering on this because it can be uneven if you want it to be uneven. It doesn't have to be exactly in place. And then just place that one again right in the center and move out from there. And for stuff like this, that's why I like the paper transfer tape instead of the clear. You can rip the backing off and it moves a little bit more with it, but you can use the clear if you want. We've got our clear or the paper, which is kind of a favorite of a lot of us here is the paper. Ooh, I like that teal on there. You don't have to worry about the curve if you do the pieces individually. That's another Hint, do them individually. It doesn't have to be together. And I like to eyeball it, so I just kind of eyeball the center and then work from there, up and down from there.
Bertha says, where did you get the water jug from? Want to remind us?
Yes, this is from Hobby Lobby. You can get them in Hobby Lobby. They're over in like the basket section on the edge towards the fabric. If the stores are all laid out about the same, it's over there where all the other big containers and platters and baskets are. And they've got a lot of fun stuff. I thought this one was really cute. It's got little chippy paint. Now it would be so fun to put some flowers in it, some stems of anything out on your porch, in your house, anywhere. It's just a fun little picture now. So go out there, get some glitter vinyl because it's fun to work with and adds just a little bit of a glitter to it, the luster and the glitter, but not too overpowering. And let us see your projects. If you've done projects with glitter, go ahead and link them in the comments below. Share this with your friends so that they can see that it's fun to work with. Glitter is fun. And are there any other questions?
Ashley wants to know what kind the teal is.
The teal is our luster, and we'll put a link to that. I didn't put a link to it. It's got the glitter, just a link to the glitter, but the teal is luster.
And then there's also a question of what glitter we use. Maybe just go over it.
Okay, we used our glitter that's on sale right now. There's a link up above, and I used the black and gold. And then the flowers is in teal luster, but the black and the gold are the glitter.
Awesome.
And this file again is from Better Life blog. There's a link to that in our blog. And yeah, if you've got any other questions or you've used glitter again, put it in the comments when we're done with this and we'll get to them. Hopefully you guys have a good weekend and you can start enjoying spring. So thanks for joining today, guys.